In SolidWorks, we can use parallel and perpendicular mates to help orient components relative to one another. Here I am in an assembly, and I have a bunch of components placed on a base. I want to fix their orientation a little better. Let's click on the Mate command. This opens up the Property Manager, and I will start by selecting, let's select this surface, and then this surface, and they automatically jumped to being coincident. I don't want that. I want them to be parallel instead. And so it returns it back to its original position, but makes those two surfaces parallel. That is good. Let's hit the check mark. Let's repeat that for another example. This time I will pick this surface and this surface. And once again, it made them coincident, but this time I want them to be perpendicular. And so again, it returns it back to its original location, but then makes those two surfaces perpendicular. And let's hit the check mark once more. Let's create one more. Let me zoom into a surface. I'm going to grab this surface and zoom out, and let's grab this surface. And once again, change to parallel. And we have it back to where we want. And this time I will hit the check mark from the Property Manager. Then I can cancel out of creating any more mates. And now I have 3 more mates added to my assembly.